Troubleshooting tips for your air conditioning unit. When the weather gets so hot outside that it seems like you could fry an egg on the sidewalk, the last thing you want is for your air conditioning unit to go down. However, air conditioners sometimes have a mind of their own, and it is not uncommon for them to fail at the worst possible time for you and your family. If you do encounter a problem with your air conditioner, there are a few things you can look at to be able to determine whether or not the problem is serious. By troubleshooting your unit, you may be able to save yourself an unnecessary service call. Troubleshooting tips for your air conditioning unit controller. Check. Remember that your air conditioning unit also runs your heating. This is all tied into your controller, and if it is malfunctioning, then the entire system can go haywire. Be sure the proper setting is being used, and check things like the backup battery or a large buildup of dust. Filter check. There are so many people who run into problems with their air conditioners that can be fixed simply by changing the filter. Depending on the type of filter you use, you should change your filter several times per year. Most filters say how many days they should last, like 90 days for example, but you should still make it a habit to check the filter every few weeks to ensure it is still clean enough to allow your air conditioner to function properly. Outside unit check. Check your outside unit and be sure that everything is up to par with it. First, check for obvious signs of wear and tear. Next, look to see if the lines on the unit are icing up. If they are, you have a problem. You can also check to be sure that the unit is coming on when it should and make certain that there are no unusual noises being made when the unit is running. Air conditioning unit troubleshooting. Recheck the system once you have conducted some basic troubleshooting and maybe changed the filter. Recheck the entire system. If your system begins to cool your home properly, then you are all set. If, however, you are still encountering trouble, it may be time to call in the pros. If you do call in professionals, be sure that you let them know what you have already done troubleshooting-wise and what the end results were. This will keep them from doubling up on some troubleshooting and will save them some time and just might save you some money. Contact North Pole Air, http://www.heatingondairgainesville.com, today for all of your air conditioning unit maintenance needs or with any questions you may have regarding your air conditioner. We offer air conditioning maintenance on all makes and models and are available day or night, 24 hours a day 7 days a week for your convenience. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/stan_majira/948548